In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share text from DeepSeek app to WhatsApp. So if you have any chats or you have any thread that you have just created, you can share it directly from DeepSeek to WhatsApp. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, let's get into it. So if I go here, you can see I have quite a number of conversations that I just created. For instance, I can go ahead and click on the first chat here that I created, and you can see I have a long chat that is available here. I'd like to go ahead and share this text that I generated from DeepSeek to WhatsApp. Now, there are two ways you can do it. First, if you head down here, you can see we have this button. This is a copy button. So if I go ahead and click on it, you can see the text has been copied. Now I can exit DeepSeek and go look for any group or any contact on WhatsApp. So I'll go ahead and I want to share it to this group or contact. I'll go ahead and long press under messages. And once you long press, you'll see we have this option called paste. Now, if you go ahead and tap on paste, or if you go ahead and just tap on the text down here, it will paste all the text that you have on your DeepSeek. Now, the problem here is it shared the text in form of a link, which I didn't want. I didn't want it that way. I just want it to be shared as text. So I have just removed the link and it will come in form of a text like this. So from here, I can go ahead and tap on send, and this will go ahead and share this text on WhatsApp. However, you might realize that this format comes with a lot of errors. You can see we have a lot of hashtags and we have a lot of stars. That is because the formatting for DeepSeek is not compatible with WhatsApp. So for that, you may want to go ahead and edit before you paste. You can go ahead and remove these asterisks from each and every word and all those hashtags so that you make sure the formatting is as you wish, like this. You can remove them. And also you can remove this website because my content contained a website. That's why you can see a website there. And then you can now share the text. Alternatively, you can use the second method of copying and pasting anything from DeepSeek. And for that, I'll go again to DeepSeek here and say, let me try another conversation or chat. And you can see it is here. So I would like to go ahead and share this. Now to share this, I can also use another method. As long as you're on the thread, you can just go ahead and long press anywhere, and then you will see this function called copy. So this, if you go ahead and tap on copy, it will copy it as it is. Look at this. We have two options. We have copy text and select text. Now let me show you the difference between the two. If I go ahead and copy and then go ahead and paste it in WhatsApp and share it to my contact like that, it will paste it as it is, and it will contain these asterisks that you may want to go ahead and edit or remove. So that will have a lot of editing. However, if I go ahead and select the text again by long pressing on it and then click on select text like this, now here I'll be shown the whole text, and therefore I can now go ahead and select the specific text that I want. For that, go ahead and long press where you want to select the text from, and then move this cursor until you get to the specific portion. For instance, I just want to send only this part. So I'll go ahead and copy it, and I'll go back and then share it to WhatsApp. And here it is. So this is used for a specific portion or part of the whole text. So if I share it, but of course you'll have to edit it first before you can share it with your audience or with your contact. So you can see this has shared specific part of this text. So that's how you copy and paste text from DeepSeek to WhatsApp. If this video is helpful, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.